Guys, welcome back to Horseplay Motoring. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a little bit, it's no secret that Pypes is my favorite exhaust system. Even before I was sponsored by Pypes, anytime someone asks about a Pypes system, especially on an SN platform, I would send them a Lawless Garage video because he has the Pypes M80 on his car. It sounds amazing. Now, I love the M80s on just about everything, but I also love the Violators. And the Violators is what I went to on my 97 GT. Some of y'all may know I no longer have my 97 GT. So Pypes was kind enough to send me out a Violator system for my 90LX. Now currently, my 90LX has a Flowmaster exhaust that is pretty rusty, old, and tethered. Now I do not mind the Flowmaster sound. I think the Flowmaster sound is a classic sound on a Mustang. They are restrictive, but they're not going to be restrictive at the point that I'm at, but they are restrictive. So these people making super high horsepowers, they have straight through mufflers and stuff like that for a reason. They don't have baffled mufflers. And also, Flowmasters are known to rust out if they're not taken care of. I try to always paint mine, keep a wire brush, you know, things like that. But Pypes is on a whole nother level in my opinion. I love the way it sounds. It's a unique sound. It's not the Flowmaster sound, but it's not some dump truck sound in my opinion. It sounds amazing. Like I said, I had the Pypes Violators on my 97 GT, and they sent me this for my 90LX. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So this is the SFM13V kit, and what it has is the Violator mufflers, but the tailpipes I want the tips built into the pipe here. So I did love the adjustability of the black tips and stuff, but on this one I want to pretty much have the option. If I want to go dumps, I can. If not, I can run the pipe. I'm going to run tailpipe starting out, but these tips, once you set them, it's pretty much done. You don't have to sit there and micro adjust and stuff like that. Now, to get it perfect and to take the time, yeah, I mean, I think that's a better kit with the adjustability, but this is what I want. This is the look that I love on Fox Buddies, and pretty ecstatic to have this. Great packaging as usual. Everything's packaged very well. And so here's the tailpipe section. You got the flow tubes, and then here is the flow tubes are right here, just like the other kit, and then the hardware and everything right there. So again, I'm extremely excited to get this on the car. The Violator mufflers is a perforated straight through style muffler, if you don't know. So this is the Violator muffler. So if you wanted just the muffler, that's the part number right there, MVV10. It's 14 inches long, 2.5 inch inlet and outlet, and that's offset. And this is the inlet, so this will be engine side. This is the outlet, and if you notice, the louvers are turned around the other way. So I covered this on my 97 GT. I wasn't for sure, but so basically this is why it sounds more aggressive. The louvers are actually facing the opposite direction. So what this seems to do is, with the exhaust flowing the opposite way, is when the sound scatters, it catches that noise, but the straight volume of exhaust, it allows that tone to follow through. I don't know the best way to describe it. It's a very unique sound that I absolutely love, and I'm ecstatic that they sent this out to me. So in the future, the video will be removing the Flowmaster exhaust and installing it, and I cannot wait to hear this. Normally I have my pipe spinner there. We've had a stroke of bad weather, and yeah, I don't want that ripped and tore down. So, but again, part numbers MVV10, and for the actual catback itself is SFM13V. Now this one is for the Fox Body and the SN cars. So great kit, but like I said, I wanted this one because it's all one pipe, the tailpipe and all, and you don't have to worry about getting each side equal and everything, and the hangers are in the right spot, it's in the right spot. So again, always quality stuff with Pypes. And as always, guys, Pypes comes with everything you need for the install, and it's quality pieces. Be sure to check out pipesexhaust.com. If you use my code HORSEPLAY, you get free shipping on any available exhaust system they have. It don't matter if it's for Charger, Challenger, Camaro, it doesn't matter. If it's available, it's free shipping. Also, I get a small commission off of that, which goes back toward the channel. So if you want to support the channel and you're already looking at getting an exhaust, it's a great way to do it. But next videos hopefully will be taking off the Flowmaster exhaust and installing this one, and listen to that beautiful sound. So thanks for watching, guys. This is a quick one. This is Horseplay. If you like what you see, comment, subscribe, and we out.
Turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars.